A good initiative has happened today between Vedavyasa Vidya Vijnana Bharati, an NGO from Hyderabad, with Foundation for Excellence, whose headquarters is in United States and has got its presence in India, having its office in Bangalore. Really, the hard work that has been put in all these years has resulted in fruitful cooperation, because some of the emissaries who have attended our programs earlier have said that we are doing an excellent work, and because of the recommendation of some of the non-resident Indians, today Foundation for Excellence is almost adapting about 25 students which otherwise Vedavyasa would have funded. And the funding by the Foundation for Excellence is for next 4 years. They are starting from 2013-14 for the next 4 years, and if you say 25 people on average, they support each student to the extent of 30,000 per annum, means like 25 students means 7,50,000, and for the next 4 years, if you calculate, it's about 30 lakhs of rupees, which otherwise Vedavyasa would have supported the students. The Foundation for Excellence has got a criteria that the student should get a rank below 7,500 in EAMCET engineering and rank below 1,000 in EAMCET medicine. So the team has identified and in fact appointed the same facilitators of Vedavyasa for Foundation for Excellence, and they did a yeoman job. And we found really, if you say in Telugulo, we call as Mattilo Manikyalu, people with very, very poor financial background achieved laurels, and we really appreciate the tenacity and the killer instinct these students have to achieve something in life. Looking at their environment and all that, and I think people from affluent families should take a lesson and take an inspiration from these people and try to utilize the facilities that is available. In fact, Vedavyasa Vidya Vijnana Bharati, with its main objective of supporting poor students with academic excellence. Today's function is a big event in the history of Vedavyasa. We feel that's a starting era, a new era for Vedavyasa Vidya Vijnana Bharati. And now, like Vedavyasa Vidya Vijnana Bharati has completed more than 5 years, and like some of the students have completed their BTech engineering, and some students they have completed their medicine. And from July 2014, we will also have alumni for Vedavyasa, and now Vedavyasa is now also looking at giving input to various students at different levels as to the opportunities that are thrown open across the world, so that they will be competitive for the future challenges of the world.